Morena, ata marie. Good morning. We're going to do this song, Moi Moi Pepe, and it's a kind of a lullaby for babies when babies are going to sleep, and you rock the babies, Moi Moi Pepe. So can you repeat after me? Moi Moi Pepe, Koa e tangi. That means don't you cry. Hoki mai, a mama, a po. So it says, Mummy will return tomorrow. Okay? Right, here we go. And this is how it sounds like. Moi moi pepe koa e tangi. Hoki mai a mama a popo. Ano? Moi moi pepe koa e tangi. Hoki mai a mama a popo. You know, you could even put hoki mai a papa or hoki mai a tuahine, your sister. Okay? All right. Ka kite anō.